In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check VLC for updates in just a few quick clicks. Keeping VLC updated is a great idea because updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and sometimes add new features that make playback even smoother. If you're using VLC often for videos, music, or streaming files, this is one of those simple maintenance steps that's worth knowing. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go ahead and open VLC on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder depending on your device. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar. On a Windows or Mac version of VLC, you'll see several menu options across the top. What you want to do next is click Help. This menu usually contains support and update related options, so it's the right place to check whether a newer version is available. After clicking Help, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, click Check for Updates. VLC will now contact the update server and compare your installed version with the latest available version. If VLC is already up to date, you'll see a message letting you know that you're using the newest version. If an update is available, VLC will guide you through the next steps so you can download and install it. At that point, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. It may ask you to close the program, confirm the download, or restart VLC after the update is finished. And that's really all there is to it. Checking for updates in VLC takes only a moment, and it's a quick way to make sure your media player stays current and works properly. If you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.